Y'all mom, chat, y'all mom never did that to y'all? All right, let's go. Let's go. Appreciate that membership, my boy. Are you ready? Oops. All right, let's go. This is day. Let me get my mic close. Let me get my mic close. Oops, I'm not gonna do that. Let me turn my mic up. Check, y'all hear me? All right, here we go. Yo. Can you guys hear me? I love you. I love you guys. Everybody in the stream. Too loud. Okay, I'm sorry. Is that better, guys? Is that better? Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, is that better? Okay. This is called the soap. We're going to be doing the soap. We are going to be doing the soap challenge, guys. All right. Which color do you guys want to do first? We have pink right here. We have blue. And we have white. Which one do y'all want to do first? Eat it fast, Web. Do the thumbnail. Thumbnail time. Alright, chat, let's do the thumbnail. Let's do the thumbnail challenge. So, alright. Let's do it. Pink. Let's do pink first. Stop speaking in the mic, fuck nigga. Too loud again, it's too loud. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, boys and girls. So sorry. Is this better, guys? I love you guys so much. We're on the road to 30 million subscribers, everybody. Like the streams is all about. Let's go, chat. Let's get into the video. Tap on the boxes. First one, let's go. Oh my fucking god. Oh god, this is disgusting. Oh my fucking god, it's so disgusting. Oh god, oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, all gone. I just swallowed that shit, chat. Soap ASMR challenge part 2. Now we're going to go for blue. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh, let's go. It's like getting in my throat. You're an ASMR.
Speed, bro.
You're an ASMR.
You're actually gonna be sick as fuck if you eat any more. Like, you're already gonna be sick. You're gonna literally throw up. But if you eat more, you're gonna have to go to the hospital, bro. They're gonna have to take it out of you.
ASMR.
Like, it's indigestible. Like, you can't digest it.
It's burning my throat.
Yeah, no shit. It's soap. It's not worth it. You're literally gonna have to go to the hospital if you eat any more. I'm dead ass. And you know I leave in an hour. Like, I can't.
No, you don't, buddy. No, you don't.
Bro.
One more.
Bro, you're tweaking. Please don't eat any more soap.
Look at Discord. They're telling me to look at Discord.
Yeah, they're probably sending you a link of what happens when you eat soap.
One more. I'm gonna eat one more. Don't worry. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. One more. Do not try this at home. Part 2. Blue. Cinnamon.
Random said kids at home don't do this.
What the fuck? No way. What the fuck? What the fuck? Fuck you mean, chocolate challenge? Oh my god. Oh, hell no. Oh. Fuck you mean, chocolate challenge? Fuck you mean? I thought it was real. What the fuck? Oh, fuck no. Hold on. Oh, hell no.
Random said kids at home don't do this shit please, this nigga actually a retard.
Chad, do I drink some water? Fuck. I think I should be straight. I didn't eat that much. I didn't eat it. Chad, only eat like a quarter of this and half of this. I'm straight. I think I'm straight. I think I'm cool. Fuck up. Yo, what happens if you eat a bar of soap? Eating soap, hold on, wait, chat. Eating soap can lead to discomfort like nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea due to its chemical composition and potential toxicity. It's not intended for consumption. It could be harmful if ingested in large amounts. If someone accidentally ingests soap, it's best to contact a health. Wait, I actually. Hell no, let me call.
If you are calling from a hospital or emergency medical service, press the pound key now. Otherwise, if you have a possible poisoning situation or need immediate help, press 1. For all other calls, press 2. If you are...
Drug and Poison Information Center. This is Mike. Can I help you?
I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
So I just I was just just chilling, right? And I didn't realize that I took a bite of soap, and I took a God, it's still in my mouth. There wasn't a lot of soap. I took about
Hello?
yeah. Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay, oh, I'm sorry, but I didn't realize, right? And I took like a bite of soap. Like I didn't realize it was like a tiny piece amount, and I looked it up, and it just told me to dial this. I'm just want to see if I'm like okay, or anything.
Yeah. What kind of soap was this?
It was Dove soap. I just want to see if like it wasn't a lot though, sir. It wasn't a lot. It was literally just the most smallest piece. I just wanted to see if like what like I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't want to do none of that.
Like bar soap?
Yes, bar soap.
Okay. How long ago?
It was literally around about 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes? Okay. Any upset stomach, vomiting, anything like that?
No, sir.
You're cutting out again.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
You keep going in and out. Any upset stomach, vomiting, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay, you're gone again.
What the hell?
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
I think you're gonna do just fine.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Sorry, sir. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay.
Anytime.
All right.
Do you mind if I grab your name and number to document the call?
Yes. My name is Darren Watkins. My number is 513 903
Okay.
3997.
Okay. And can I get your zip code out there?
45224.
Okay. And can I get your age for our statistics?
19.
Okay. Do you have any other questions? Give me a call back.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Take care.
All right, chat. Yeah, chat. I'm cool, y'all. I hate when y'all be trying to do that scary shit. Y'all tried to scare me and shit. I just got to drink a lot of water, chat. Hold on, chat. Let me go get some water. Let me just drink some water and call my chef. Let me call my chef real quick. Hold on, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm about to go get some water.